Let's start with the introductions, wherein I would, in fact, typically I would do the introductions, but here I do it in a different manner where I ask you to introduce yourselves. I want you to introduce yourselves in the manner that all of them are pursuing the ICCC foundation level right now, and they are all thinking whether career coaching is for them. You know, they are not from the psychology background, at least a lot of them are not. So they are wondering whether only people from psychology can take it up. How does it really work out? So, Shravan, I'll start with you. If you could just give a little, background about yourself and what made you take up the career coaching certification.
Right.
Sure.
Good
Shravan.
afternoon, everyone. I hope all of you are having a very, very productive weekend with us. So I actually work as a senior growth associate with Mindler, and I come from a psychology background. So I have my master's and my bachelor's in applied psychology, also with a specialization in early childhood. So this particular field comes kind of naturally to me. I have an inclination towards it. So now going into it, obviously, when Isha asked me that would I be interested in it, so obviously I from a psychology background, I thought it would be kind of a little easy for me. Well, not really. I was pleasantly surprised and I got a lot of information. And it kinds of takes you to a new sphere where you kind of understand a lot of things about this dimension in a very, very greater detail. It is not just helping a student and telling them their next step, but being aware about it in a rounded format. Yeah, so that is a little bit
Thank
about
you so much, Shagun. Shravan, over to you.
Thank you, Isha. So, what I would like to say is that I come from a background of training and consulting, and I've been involved in consulting, training, and career coaching across corporates, colleges, and schools over the past 12 to 14 years. And this program came to me at a time where I had actually finished a career coaching certification program from a similar tech platform. However, I found that what drew me to the ICCC program was that it had what we call in consulting the T element, which is depth and width when it comes to career coaching. And uh, through this, Q&A, I'm sure I will touch upon those aspects as we move ahead. I'm mindful of the time, so let's go on to the other
Yes,
panels.
perfect. Shravan, if you could just let our panelists know which city you are currently operating from, because that's a very big question all of them want, because then they'll connect with you seeing that.
you
Okay,
Also.
tell.
I'm based out of Bangalore. I'm based out of Bangalore.
Okay, perfect, perfect. All right. So now let's move on to Urvi. Professor Urvi, let's hear from you. It's very formal to call you Professor Urvi, but since you've have that written today, I'm going to address you like that. But yes, let's hear from you. What made you get into career coaching and which city you are from also?
Okay. Good evening, my dear friends, panelists, Team Mindler, and the upcoming new coaches who I can see are very enthusiastic about this entire 2 days of ICCC program. I'm Professor Urvi Shukla, and I belong to the city of Joy, Kolkata. I'm a lecturer here at Calcutta University, and I am not from a psychology background. So, that might just ring the bell. Okay. I am an ICCC certified advanced and a master coachee. And the entire program of ICCC, I think I was the first one to get myself enrolled way back in 2018. That sounds really back. Once upon a time when we used to meet physically each other, I did my ICCC advanced and foundation program on physical platform all the way from Kolkata to Delhi. And there we were a group, a mixed bag of people from various walks of life. So there were school teachers, there were principals, there were counselors, there were people from the management field, from the business fraternity. So it was absolutely a mixed bag. So those people who think that, they are from a particular genre, particular educational field, I can tell you that Mindler is providing you this platform where you can shape up your career, and it is going to help you as well as the newer generation to come in contact with the coaches. which is very much the call of the hour. So with that, I welcome all of you. And as we move ahead, we will slowly and steadily tell our stories to you.
Yes. Super. So I'm still seeing questions around the assessment. I will repeat once more. I will be talking about the assessment at 4:45. I'll request you all to park the questions around the assessment and certificates at 4:45. All of you will get the assessment and the certificates. So please be rest assured. Let's now move on to Sanjeev. So Sanjeev, what made you get into career coaching? Just a little few thoughts for all of them to ponder upon.
Thank you, Isha. Thanks, Mindler team Mindler, for having me participate in this panel today. And warm welcome and good evening to all of you. So yes, so I kind of have a background in IT. I mean, so I've been associated with the IT industry for close to almost 15 years now, largely into marketing and communications role. So absolutely no connect directly at all with psychology or anything like that. But 3 years back, I kind of got into this whole space of career mentoring, career coaching in a more formal sense, working with another organization. Okay. But then over the 3 years, I had kind of done, work with students, work with professionals and so on. But Mindler happened to me at a time when, the whole world was going through such a lot of change, right? So in that sense, the format, the approach to the entire program, at a foundation and the advanced, I mean, when we initially kind of got into it, is what really kind of made me really think, saying that, yes, here is a setup. Which has really kind of put in a lot of thought into the whole approach to career coaching. And, if I had to really kind of, build on my existing capabilities and my credentials as well, with a firm like, which is really reputed and well known, Mindler is probably the right place to go to. So I did a lot of research on my own to find out some other sources and so on, but I really narrowed down on Mindler, and I think I'm not regretting it one bit. Okay, and I can really vouch for it. And the kind of leadership that's there, and the support that you get from everybody at Mindler is really awesome. Okay, so and I know there are a lot of apprehensions, just like how you guys are asking questions about the assessment. So even I had the same, but as I think the other panelists also mentioned, by the time you kind of go through the entire program, you realize it's not the assessment, but it's a journey that you really kind of take up as part of your career coaching interest, right? Yeah, and I'm based out of Mumbai, and I've been kind of in Mumbai all my my life. So yeah, thanks for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, Sanjeev. Good to know. Now let's move on to Tina. Tina is sitting outside in the nature. It's looking so good, and all of us are like caged in our offices. So, Tina, tell us about a little bit about your journey and how you wanted to get into career coaching.
Sure, Isha. First of all, thank you so much for inviting me again. It's always a pleasure to be at Mindler's platform. And since I'm traveling, so it was like connectivity was a little problem, so I joined late. But I welcome all the new participants. It's a beautiful journey, as Sanjeev just mentioned. We all have enjoyed it thoroughly, and the program is so well designed that you get to learn each aspect of to be a career coach, from actually learning about the universities, not only in India, but abroad also. Your assignments are so well designed. The whole course is so well designed that you get in touch with each and everything what is required to learn all about career counseling. And on top of that, the whole staff, I'll say, whole team of Mindler is amazing. So the assignment, definitely, as Isha mentioned, we'll talk later. But I just enjoyed this advanced course. Is so well designed that we got to learn about basically about what kind of universities we have today in India, what all courses they are offering, which we are not aware of. I'm a school teacher. I have got around 19-20 years of service in schools, and then been principal also. I'm based in Pune right now, and whenever I used to visit schools, I'm also teaching teachers, training teachers. So whenever I used to visit, they used to ask me, ma'am, why don't you guide our students also? I said, I'm not qualified, let me get certification done. And this is the platform where I've got exposure to what all goes in to be a good career coach. And from from your psychology part of it, you say, or from your exposure to, as I mentioned, universities and all, it's amazing. The kind of assignment you get to learn so much. It's kind of a research work. You go and do it in detail, and that is your learning part, which we did at our advanced course, and really enjoyed it. And the team, Mindler team, is so supportive. I mean, anytime, even at night, if you're sitting and doing your assignments and all, 12:30, you will give a call or message to somebody. They're so prompt in, answering to you. So that's the amazing part of it. I've really enjoyed. Recently started my own company also. So, and
Tina,
further questions we'll be, talking
yeah,
about that.
Tina, I'll just get to that. I'm just on the introductions right now, so I'm going to be picking
Sure,
one thing at a time. Thank you so much.
sure, Isha.
Uh,
Thank you.
Thanks. Dakshini, let's move on to you. And Dakshini, I just want you to tell the participants about your background before you kind of got into career coaching. And, I know you come from a completely different background. I mean, I personally know you, but if you could let them know, because they don't know you, they don't know any of you. So for them to see how people are coming from diverse backgrounds and then getting into career coaching is definitely something that is exciting for them. So if you could just give them a little brief on your city, as well as what was your background before you ventured into career coaching.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. This is Dakshini joining in from Bangalore. And like Isha rightly said, I know her well for the past, I think 2019, I got in touch with Mindler. This was my best find after having a background in undergraduation in biology, basically. But I have done academic counseling for about 2 years, but it was mostly administrative in nature. And getting into counseling, of course, my best find was Mindler, because like all of you have questions, apprehensions. I'm seeing close to 450 people on board here. And I would like to share that, all of us had the same kind of apprehensions and doubts that when you don't have a psychology background, is it, am I going to be able to do this and counsel people? But believe me, Mindler just makes it so possible. And, they give you the confidence to go on and take the plunge. So now I've recently founded a company called Furtherance Hub, and I've started practice on my own. And Mindler has been hand-holding me and all the technical and moral support that I'm getting from them. So I'm really glad to share my story here today with you all. All the best, and we'll talk more again.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Dakshini. So that was just an introduction for all of you to know that everyone's from diverse background. I think Shagun is the only one from the psychology background who's done full-fledged masters in psychology also. But now let's get down, and I'll start with Sanjeev. If you could just help me understand, Sanjeev, and our panelists, and our participants, how was your journey of the entire ICCC Advanced program? How were those 3 months? And I just wanted to highlight something about Sanjeev. I have interacted with him briefly, not too much, but I have seen his participation level on the group. And I was enamored, like I was impressed with the kind of messages, the kind of links, and just the kind of information he shares on the groups. And I just thought I had to mention that. So it's great that he's been reading, researching, and all the resources that you share are they're such a value add for us also, that we really appreciate it. But of course, over to you, Sanjeev. Just help us a little bit understand.
Thanks, Isha. Yeah. So so the advanced program certainly, was definitely one level above the foundation. I mean, in the foundation, you get the basics of what is career coaching, right? And you kind of start to understand the different dynamics of it. But the advanced really starts to get into the specifics of each area. Now, for example, I'll tell you a case. I mean, when I first heard Professor Chadha, in the foundation, I said, "Oh, this is psychometry, okay." But then when he actually conducted a detailed session on psychometry as part of the advance, that's when I really got into really getting into studying about it. I found his book published online and so on. So that was the level of interest that it sparked inside me, in the advanced program, right? So that's number one. Secondly, the assignments and the kind of questions that were part of the assignments, no doubt, they were quite challenging, in the sense that that you needed to apply what you were kind of undertaking, as maybe reading through not just 1-2 websites, but tons and tons of them. Okay, and then of course at the end of it, and as one of the important aspect also was the participation with the cohort as well, right? So when we used to have the sessions during the the one-on-one the sessions with either Parikshit sir or with with Chadha sir, okay, so the kind of interaction with the different participants that that would come in there, and the kind of bonds that we have developed over those sessions, as well as the assignments, is still strong. Okay, so because just last week again, we just had another round of our catch-ups among our cohort, to see what are some of the newer things that are happening in the space, and how we could kind of help each other, right? So it's like, so putting in fact that extra effort really goes a long way, in helping you understand things a little more deeper. Of course, sometimes you have to kind of play that balance between, of course, I had a full-time job as well, and it was only on the weekends that I would really kind of get into it. But before going to bed every day, I would take a look at, I'd seen that, oh, there is some post that's come, so I really need to look at what it is, okay? Or for that matter, maybe there is a webinar that's coming up. So I would really consciously sign up for them, listen to them, to the speakers, the panelists, and so on. Yeah, so I would say, it was really one level above than, what the foundation was, and it's given a lot of, food for thought in terms of the different aspects and areas, and certainly has enhanced my knowledge and understanding of this domain, not only career coaching but so many other areas also.
Great. Thank you so much, Sanjeev. That was very nicely put, and very nicely said that, how you were working during the weekends, like how you were like ensuring that you, read up all the articles during weekends, because of course you were also in a full-time job. Now let's move on to Shravan. So Shravan obviously slightly has been in the space where he's already been interacting with people. He is a motivational speaker as well. So he's already been there. So Shravan, could you share your experience of the advanced level as well as the master's level, and help us understand how both advanced and master's level were different? How both had a different takeaway.
Definitely, Isha. I want to begin by saying that I got into career coaching full-time in terms of looking at college and school students back in 2010, as I was doing corporate and soft skill training. And I picked up the threads on career coaching primarily through self-reading and picking courses on psychology, both online and doing offline workshops in transactional analysis and NLP. The first glance which I had at the ICCC program in the foundation level, and I started looking at the advanced and masters, I had this sense of regret. And I'll tell you why. I had this sense of regret because I wish when I was starting out on my career, in terms of career coaching, there was a program like this back then. So the entire effort which I had put in through 10 years of self-work, that, had become crystallized in a structured program in a very short period of time. And I was like, wow. And I think I still remember a lot of foundation people were discussing in the chats, should we do the advanced level? Let's do the advanced and then we'll figure out the masters. I was one of the few people, I think, despite having had years of experience in career coaching and having done a similar certification program from a competitor, I looked at the structure and I said, I have to sign up for both. And I signed up for both the advanced and masters in one go. And I think I didn't even it didn't even strike me that I should ask, like we as Indians typically do, like, what's the course? If I join together, will you give me a discount? Right? So that completely, got sidetracked because I could clearly see the value. And, across the structure of the advanced program, whether it's research skills using the Mindler career planning tool, psychometric testing, I think the great part of the advanced program for me was that there's a Kirkpatrick model that we say in corporate training, which is whenever you are doing, learner orientation, you're looking at the learners going from unconscious incompetence, through the stages of being conscious of what your incompetence is, moving to a level where you're conscious, the highest level where you're conscious of your competence and you are functioning. The advanced and masters program do a brilliant job in equipping you, whether you are a experienced career coach, whether you're a beginner. It takes you to a point where you understand the depth and width. So all the elements, if you look at the 9 elements, which is covered in the ICCC Advanced, which is research skills using Mindler, career planning tools, the code of conduct, psychometric testing, education boards, overseas education, counseling skills, liberal arts, and definitely 5th and 6th component are connected to the foundation program directly, which is the resources, which we look at in terms of assignments. So one thing that I really benefited from was I was able to revisit the work I've done so far and actually be able to visualize a 5-year career path moving forward in terms of how I want to segregate my work portfolio. And I have been doing career coaching for schools and colleges, but I started looking at how I could do it differently. And over the past 5-6 years, I've been doing work in the social sector. And the perspective which the master's program also gave me was to, so I have, in the past few months, I've also been empaneled on a UNDP career guidance program for 3 districts in Karnataka. And I am like one of the senior career coaches, the lead career coaches. I found that the content and the context that the program provided, along with the tribe, right? In the master's program, Tina was part of my cohort. So Tina was definitely somebody who was a real gracious giver, along with Yogesh in our batch and Kamna and others. And so it was great learning, even in terms of cross learning. The program, the community of the career coaches we were, who are from different backgrounds, as well as the Mindler team, right? Both the leadership team, including you, Pratik, as well as the support team who is coordinating with us, plus the additional resource speakers like Raghav, Abhishek. All of them were very helpful in different ways. So if somebody had to ask me what are the top 3 things about the ICCC Masters and Advanced program, I would like to, refrain from being tempted to do that by saying that we say excellence is about not about one, aspect being 100 times better. It's about 100 little things and how they are fantastic. So I think, without being euphoric, I can say that every element, as Tina earlier mentioned, has been very well thought through design. So I would say that the ideal classroom is you're sitting in a classroom, and let's say you or your mind ventures out and you look outside. And if a school structures it in such a way when somebody looks out of the window, they also learn. That's exactly what Mindler does. So apart from the programs that were structured sessions, the webinars also were intuitive, right? In terms of what webinars were arranged. And if you signed up for the program, you could easily connect the dots. So I would say it's a 360-degree transformation for anybody who's aspiring to be on the career coach pathway. And I came in with a confirmation bias. I thought that I'm going to learn from Mindler and the program only about India, right? And it gave me a global perspective, of course, with David, Barbara, and Chadda, sir, of course. Apart from, a lot of people who had studied abroad were also part of the Mindler team, like, for example, Raghav and Abhishek as well. So there was perspective of overseas studies, not only from somebody who's saying, hey, this is the way it works in the US, and somebody like Chadda, who's a veteran, who says, okay, this is where the assessments work. But you also had people who had studied overseas coming back talking about the experience there. So there are a lot of threads that one can draw in terms of leveraging this program and across sectors. So I found that the career theories, for example, even though I had done a lot of extensive research on executive coaching, it gave me a lot of perspective. Like, for example, the happenstance framework, the integrated life therapy approach. All of these pieces, models, frameworks are great tools for any career coach. And I found it to give me new meaning even for corporate coaching, right? And I'm sure I would actually recommend executive coaches who look at PCC and other certifications to consider going through a Mindler program as well, because it's great. Apart from the affiliation with the NCDA, which gives you like a global US certification, knowledge, skill, attitude as a practitioner, it's bullseye. So I definitely recommend the program. And in fact, if anybody is willing, I think each one of us who are alumni can ourselves run a 3-hour program on how every element is aligned to you and can help you irrespective of what background you come from.
Great.
So
Thank you. Thank you so much, Shravan. I think he summed it up very nicely, but more than anything, Shravan is also somebody, I mean, you should go follow him on LinkedIn for sure. Of course, you should do that for all the other panelists, but he has some great content that he posts there. I mean, there are some really good researched articles and, so he's actually, I really enjoy seeing all your posts. So please go ahead and definitely go and do follow him. So thanks so much, Shravan. Now let's move on to Dakshayani. Dakshayani, my question to you would be slightly different so that I'm able to help them understand all different kinds of things. My question would be, Dakshayani, you have also done the foundation, the advanced, master's level, and now you've started your own venture, how has that experience been? Will you tell our participants how has the experience been of starting your own venture, using the partner portal, and how the knowledge you learned during the advanced and master's level, of course, are helping you even in the venture that you are running? And I would want you to also just put your website link here. Of course, after you're done speaking, or someone from my team will post your link so everyone can at least see what exactly is happening there. Over to you, Dakshayani.
Thank you, Isha. That's the beauty of this program. I have seen and researched many certifications and courses that are given out, and once you enroll for the course, they just train you and then give you a certificate, and then you're supposed to walk off. And the kind of support that I got from Mindler is to the level of, I mean, I have to admit shamelessly, that I have been very technology challenged. I do not know the very mundane basic things of navigating through a technology based edtech platform. But Raghav has been really patient. He walked me through the whole platform and he said, this is how it works, and anywhere you're stuck, you can let me know. So every time I'm stuck, I give him a call, I message him, and I'm almost sure to get a response from him immediately. And this is what drove me to start something on my own, because it's a different thing when you start on your own and you have your own company, and the confidence that comes from it, because it's all in the credentials that you earned and the knowledge that you got from this. And let me tell you, last time I was part of the panel, one such panel on Mindler, also I got a lot of emails and people asking me, is it worth doing the master's program? Should I stop at advanced? And will I be able to start my own practice after advanced? And is there demand for this thing? And are you getting enough clients? How are you practicing in Bangalore? And are people ready to pay for a service like this? And let me tell you, we live in a time when, with the connect is so much. I mean, I have connected with Urvi, asking her, about her website and how she did that and how she's using the partner portal, because she has been your partner for quite some time. So we have helped each other and we have connected so well. And whenever Urvi has a question on Bangalore, she calls me and says, come on, give me some institutes that I can recommend for my students. Likewise, I reach out to her, and I have a network, I have made friends, I have my own batch, my cohort WhatsApp group, and then any case that I get, every case is a new learning for me. And then I post it on my group and ask for recommendations and discuss. And then that is what has drove me to start on my own with confidence, because I have this whole team behind me who can, give me inputs on any case that I deal with. And coming to the advanced and the questions that that are being put up on the chat box, and like I said, I got some emails asking if they should do the masters. I would encourage you to please do the master's program, because advanced and masters is not the same thing, and it is at a different level. And at master's level, you go in depth and gain more knowledge to practice program management. How do you run your own venture? And how to use various networking skills, researching skills, and not to mention, I mean, there's so many things that I learned about labor market and the project, the live theses that we did. This was great learning, and it's a different level when you do masters, because you get to interact with Dr. Chadha and David and Barbara were really helpful, the sessions. And I think it gave me a lot of confidence when I finished the master's program. Not that I was not, capable enough after doing the advanced, but then the master's gave me that, the confidence to put that up and the credentials. And now that I'm a member of NCDA, I've taken the certification, the license to practice. This gives my clients some sort of when I have put that up on my website, I'm really proud to say that, I have spent the time to equip myself, because information is everywhere. And parents these days and students also gain knowledge by Googling. They just need to press the Google button and look for information. That's not where they are stuck. They are looking for direction. They want people to tell them how to decide, on what to choose. So that's where you play a role, and it's a very, very crucial, responsible role that you play. And you better be, well equipped with information and resources, and quite convincing to be, putting up something like that in front of a client. And this is a life-changing decision that you are, taking them through. So to be convincing and to put it in a nutshell, I think please go ahead and do the masters and get your certification, no matter what background you're from. this program will groom you into, you know, maturing into a good counselor and be confident enough to, you know, face any kind of case or student that comes to you. So the partner portal that I've been using as a partner, then like I said, Raghav and Isha, and of course Vaishnavi. I mean, oh my God, she's been so helpful. I can't tell you, you know, whatever time I message her, she's always there to reply and tell me that, you know, yes, you can do it. So Isha and Raghav have, you know, taken us through. They don't force you to get into a long time commitment. If you're very risk averse, you can always choose what partner program you want to get into, whether you want to be an associate, you want to be a you know, partner, or you just be on their you know, the buying the coupons and using them for your clients. So that kind of arrangement and flexibility is there when you want to engage with the Mindler thing. And that's the best thing, because you're not let alone. They let you grow with them. And this is the best part about Mindler. So I think that's the story.
Great, Dakshini. I think that was very helpful, and I'm glad that you know, actually gave them a detailed explanation of how it started and how advanced and masters are different and how both are equally important. So thank you so much, Dakshini. Let's now move on to Urvi. Urvi is someone I have known for, I don't know, donkey years now, way too long. I've known her for very long, and in a professional and a personal capacity, both. So, Urvi, why don't you share your experiences of using the partner portal and how? So, Urvi is one of those people who didn't do advanced and masters together. She did advanced like 3 years back, and she did the master's
2018.
level. Yeah, and she did the master's level after a year or a year and a half's gap. So just help us understand how that helped you, and how is your portal, the entire SaaS portal, what are the USPs that you feel work out the best for you? In the meantime, my team will also share your website so that everyone can take a look at that. So Ashwarya, if you could just share the website as well.
Sure. As Isha said, my association with Mindler starts 2018 February, when I had enrolled maybe the first or the second name in that list of first 40 people. I mean, yeah, now you all are in hundreds and thousands, but we started on a very small number, very personalized one-to-one, you know, sessions for 3 days. We were all together, and it was such an experiential learning experience. I mean, to get to learn from the best, the experts in the field of career coaching and counseling. I was fortunate to be taught by Dr. Chadda, David, Peter, Barbara on Skype, but yes, and the rest physically. So that was one big experience of a lifetime. Secondly, the entire program, made the advanced, the foundation, the advanced, and the master, it has been so well, so intricately crafted. It takes into consideration all the domains which are required, you know, for excellence of a career coach. And the 3-level certification program is something that we all are very, very proud of. I mean, to get a CCSP certifications from NCDA, the apex coaching body all across the globe, CDA and Mindler. So that brings in a lot of credentialities when we are in this field. As Dakshini said, that we have a lot of social responsibility. So it is very, very important that the field that we are in, all eyes are looking up to us, may it be the students, the parents, the entire family. So we cannot afford to give them wrong information. As my co-panelist said, all information are at the click of a Google button. So then why do we need coaches? We need coaches to make them aware. There is a plethora of career options which the students are not even aware about it. If PCM can only lead to engineering or 300 other more career options with various kind of combinations. So that is the reason why we are there. So we have a very big social responsibility. One thing that I would really like to focus on, all my dear panelists who are, and the participants who are there, if you are really passionate about helping skills in capital letters, then this is the right career for yourself to help the people choose their right career. Okay, so it is collaborative. Over here, we don't have any kind of grudges against each other. We don't feel hesitant to ask. I can ask Isha, the entire team of Mindler, all my co-coaches, as Dakshini said, we communicate with each other. So it's absolutely a family that we are living in, and we all have one single aim or motto, that is to help the younger minds, bring them clarity. That's all for which we are here. I did my foundations, then advanced. After a year, Mindler launched the master's program. Again, I was one of the first one to take part in the master's program. And this was a very extensive program, an eye-opener. If you're not from the field of psychology, do not carry any baggage when you are in this course. Okay, I agree and I respect all the qualifications which you have. But when you are in the field of coaching, please start your journey like a student. Please be ready to unlearn and relearn. Do not be hesitant to learn. You know, learning is very important. Till date, I think we all are learning. Every day we are reading something. Every day we are updating ourselves. So the entire, the platform of Mindler helps you upskill not only yourself, to be at par with the newer generation. You have to be apt. You have to have your informations which are correct. We cannot afford to give any wrong information to anyone. So it is very, very important that we upskill ourselves. And if we have to carve our niche into this field, you know, of career coaching and counseling, we have to do our master's program. So it is a series. It's like doing your graduation and your post-graduation exactly the same way. Your foundation, advanced, and masters, they all are in line with each other. So if you're really passionate, as I said, if you're really, really passionate, please do your master's program. Coming to the Mindler platform. Okay, I have been using the platform. It's been like last 3 years now. And last year I had launched my website. It's called www.urvishukla.com with all help from Team Mindler, where my guests on the launch were the Team Mindler as well. Okay, and I am really, really very happy with the kind of support the Team Mindler gives you with the Mindler platform. It has a very personalized dashboard. It provides you with a 34-page detailed psychometric career discovery report of the student. It keeps a record of all the client and your personal notes, relationships. It provides you with a Mindler career library, the Mindler blog. It provides you with a roadmap with which you can help and guide the students, and they keep on updating their platform. That is very, very, very essential. Okay, so they are updated. That's because of them we all are updated. So thank you, Team Mindler.
Thank you so much, Urvi. So yes, Urvi, actually, everything she just said, more than anything, I'd like to highlight, she is actually one of those people who's already a professor, doing so well for herself. I still remember her 3 years back when she joined the program. She wanted to just learn. She was like, I'm going to unlearn and learn and relearn. And she was asking us questions till like 3 a.m. in the morning. But till the time she did not have clarity, she did not give up. So she kept learning, and that's a trait I really admire about her, because she does not want to give any kind of incorrect message to the students, which is extremely important, because in such a field you have to, you're trying to empower a student, so you cannot give them any kind of incorrect information. Let's come to Tina now. Tina is an example of course, she has come from the teaching space, and she's also partnered. She's using the SAS portal, and the most interesting part is that she found her founding team members of her partner portal, and I think it's called At First Page. All three of them studied together in the advanced and the master's level, and three of them became very good friends, and they started this venture together. So I think, and all three of them are from different cities. So yeah, tell us a little bit about that journey, Tina, and how is it coming along? Like, how is using the portal coming along? How has the advanced and master's level also helped you to use the portal also? Because at the end of the day, the SAS portal doesn't really teach you the coaching skills. It just empowers you with the right kind of tools. So yes, Tina, over to you.
Absolutely, Isha. Actually, Anuradha, me and Aparna, we were at foundation course together, and we used to exchange a lot of notes, as everybody does in different courses. And we got, started liking each other, started gelling very well and decided to start something of our own. And that is how we started planning. And as soon as we completed our advance, we started, month of March, we all started with at first page. And today I'm proud to announce that it's a government recognized venture now. We've got the registration done from Ministry of Commerce. So yes, at first page is doing very well, touch wood, and all because of Mindler platform, because we are using our Mindler counsel our students and for their assessments and for their further, they use their research library and all that. So all that portal provides that their dashboard itself provides them, a lot of things which they are looking for, which they don't actually have to go on other websites to search for. So that is the best thing which is happening. And yes, this confidence came in three of us just because we had a support team with us, and that's Minder. We always knew at the back of our mind that yes, they will help us. And Isha, from Isha to PD sir to Abhishek to Pratik to name it, Raghav, they're always there. You just give them a call and they'll show you the way. Yeah, this is the way you should be going. So we are working as a team, like we've started this venture, but just because Mindler is there to guide us whenever we need anything. So as everybody mentioned, Shravan mentioned, Urvi, Dakshani, and Sanjeev, as they mentioned that advanced and master course are little different, although it's the same platform, but then you learn different things. So it's for me also, I got registered like Shravan together for advanced and masters because I wanted to get into in this field full time. And master's journey is very different from your advanced journey. Advanced journey is more about addressing to colleges, profile building, overseas studies, and all that is there. But masters, you learn more about how to, tell your client to be ready for new kinds of jobs in the industry, the job search strategies, labor market, 21st century skills, how your client should be ready with all that. So even to know that, as a counselor, all this your client that, okay, I'm doing my job, but you also have to, do your job to get the best in the industry. So to look for a career and a good career, your guide as a counselor will always give you that platform, but as the client you also have to work hard, and that working hard will come with a proper guidance from the coach. So we coaches learned in master program that how to train our clients to look for a job for them, to develop a good networking, and what kind of jobs are offered, how to get in that particular area, what kind of skills are required for current jobs. All that was taught to us in master's course, and from the best in the industry, Dr. Chadda, Dr. David, Barbara, they're all seasoned counselors, and learning from them, getting first-hand experience, and later on also when you have client on with you and taking assistance, still taking assistance from Mindler, that I've got this client, this problem is coming up, can you help me? Immediately you'll get solution to that from one of your Mindler team people. So that is the best part. This is the best thing about this platform, I feel. The kind of dashboard they've created for students to use is amazing. So here people definitely, children definitely operate at first page, but they actually go and operate Mindler where they get everything. So we as counselors are not worried because we design a roadmap for children there at Mindler's dashboard, and they just click on it and they get all the information. So it's like the whole work for us is very easy. That is how we were able to counsel, I think, 200 plus students since March till now at first stage. And we have lot many children coming up in the coming months as well, because as we all know, 12th board couldn't take place and children are still confused how to go about it. And thanks to Mindler that we are giving them and the right roadmap, designing the right roadmap for them, just because at the back of our mind we know that support system is there. We can't go wrong. Even at this juncture, we take everything, every help required for any client from Mindler's team. So that's it's been amazing journey, and we're enjoying because of the support system of Mindler. So thank you, Mindler team, and I hope we keep getting this kind of support in future also. The new participants definitely go for advanced, masters, both the courses. They're both little different, but if you complete, it's as Urvi mentioned, it's kind of graduation and post graduation. Absolutely, you will learn something in advance and very different things in masters, but you will get a complete package which you will be confident about yourself that I am a certified coach. I've learned so much from the best in the industry and I can take on anything. So that's the best part of it.
Great.
So,
Thank
yeah.
you so much, Tina. Thank you so
Thank
much. And I would just like to add one thing here that yes, you are using the Mindler SaaS portal, but it's yours now. Once you've taken, that's the entire idea that we are looking at empowering more people. It's not like Mindler wants to be the face of it. We want career guidance to be something that is mandatory in as
Absolutely.
many institutions and schools in our country. So that's really the idea. But thank you so much, Tina. And before I close this session, because everyone's going to be a bit paranoid about the assessment now, I would move on to Shagun. And from Shagun, I would just want some closing remarks. So Shagun is obviously someone who works in Team MindLearn. She knows the partner portal very well. She also is somebody who's done the advanced and master's level. She's also a psychology postgraduate. So she has it all, or has everything working for her. So Shagun, just why don't you share your experience of how advanced and masters have been different for you? That could be our closing remark.
Right. So because I can see we're near the assessment, so I'll keep it a little short. So advanced is basically where you're kind of getting all of your information. So anything and everything that you can touch upon in the career coaching domain, you have all the information, and then it helps you to kind of work upon more on it. And you get a lot of information there. And also what I would say is the beauty of it is the kind of network that you're building. So people coming along, helping each other. So it is not just the coaches, any question anybody has regarding their student. So it is not just the coaches helping it, but also everybody in the participants are helping each other. So the beauty of the perspective that everybody is bringing in and the network that we are building. And then once you move on to kind of to the master's program. So I remember when we started with the program and Dr. Barbara told us that, this will kind of change you in the way you think and you perceive. And it is so true. The basic helping skills, because I come from a psychology background, I understand that they're very, very important. But now in general, when I'm kind of interacting with my students, I make sure that I'm attending well, I'm listening well, I'm paying more attention. Then things like it is, so advanced, you were learning, you're getting all your information. Here you're implementing. I had an amazing time in getting up. So you have to kind of make your own theory. I did so much research in so many different perspectives. So this is where you kind of going beyond cultures also. So you're not just looking at the Indian domain, but you are also looking at different cultures, what the side of stories, how the students are dealing with problems, and then how are you managing programs, which would be very, very important, because the next step for everybody would be kind of coming up with their own program, starting their own venture. And then partner portal is where you have everything. You have all our support, you have all the technology involved, all the information is kind of there at one place. And then it is your skills, your credibility as a coach that comes into play. So I would like to close it with that.